All right, just wanted to show you the finished project and let you know that we've got a few items for you to gather before you start. So you can see the different knots are displayed, and I've got a little label on each one. Taken some time to make it look fairly pretty, I think. You need some sort of cardboard. Recycled cornflakes box is fine. And then you need something to drill the holes with. As you remember, I used the tip of a sharp knife, with your parents' permission, of course. So that'll drill a hole. Hammer and a wooden block over top of the cardboard, right? That'll drill a hole quite effectively. And then you need something to sew through the holes with. So what did I have? I had some thread here, right? Thread and a needle. That works very well. I like that. Takes a little while to sew it on. I also showed you how to poke through a piece of twist tie, a couple of pieces of twist tie here. Remember not to cut the twist tie with your scissors. Just bend it back and forth a number of times, and pretty quick it will break. There we are. Come on now. There it is. It's broken. All right. So you can tie it on with twist ties. You can glue the knots on with some glue. Any type of glue pretty much will do. I just happen to have Gorilla Glue. You can glue it on with a hot melt glue gun. Of course, if you use a hot melt glue gun, you need some glue sticks to go with it. You need something to cut the string with. I've got some a cutter here, scissors, and of course you need some types of string to show off your knots or tie your knots with. I've got several different types. As you can see, I use different types just for a little variation in color. Some old shopping bag handles here, an old shoelace, another shopping bag handle, and a piece of line that I happened to have from my sister. And I happen to have this frame in the garage, so I was able to frame it up a little bit, but you don't need to do that. That's about it. This is what I expect to see as a finished product from you, with a picture of you and your face, so that I can tell it's yours. And yeah. And once again, you don't have to do a different bunch of knots. You can do one knot and show different stages in the tying of that knot. Like we talked about the reef knot and first overhand, second overhand, and away you go. So 2 different approaches to this knot board project. But I expect if you're taking different types of knots, I expect to see 5 knots. If you're doing 1 knot and showing how to tie it, I expect to see about 5 different stages. Of course, the more you do, the better it is. And you can see lots of examples on the internet. Just so you know, it's coming to you. We're going to send you a picture of the finished knot board and a list of necessary tools and a few guidelines, what they call a marking rubric. And this will all come to you probably via email or some method we haven't figured out quite yet, but we'll get it to you soon. All right, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed doing this project, or hope you do enjoy doing this project. And we'll get on to the next one as soon as we can. Thanks, bye for now.